Say that again.
Charlie Brown.
What are you doing, Eller?
I'm standing up here looking out the front door.
What are you doing that for?
Waiting for you.
Well, I just left.
Well, you shouldn't have left.
Well, I got to go down here and get my arms and my back worked on.
Okay. There went a plane overhead. I reckon he's going to knock your signal out.
I hope not. Say it one time, Eller. Say, "Come on home, Charlie Brown."
Come on home, Charlie Brown.
It's time to get to the house now.
It's past your bedtime. You got to get up early in the morning.
Uh-huh.